Kiwi got a bath today, so her feathers are very green and clean and pretty. I'm going to show her off a little bit. She had a little yellow spot above her wing, and under her wing is yellow. Let's get a picture of her orange spot. Recently she started to get an orange spot on top of her head. She's up too high though. I don't know if you could see her or not. She had a little orange spot there. Very pretty girl. And her wings have yellow underneath. And underneath her back wings is kind of a fluorescent green. Very pretty bird.